Hello and welcome at CustomEssayPapers.com. Today we're going to discuss how to make footnotes. Before you continue, please turn on the sound of your computer. So why do we use footnotes? First of all, to reference the sources, and also to add some comments. If you use footnotes for referencing, you should do it according to some academic convention, while there is no preset format for the comments. But to use footnotes for both purposes, you first need to know how to make those. So let's consider how to insert a footnote in your text. First, you need to put the cursor to the place where you would like to insert a footnote. Then click on References at the top of the screen. In the menu, choose Insert Footnote. A superscript number will appear in your text and at the bottom of your page, where you can make a reference or add your comment. Note that footnote text should be single-spaced and of 10 font size. All of your footnotes will be put in numerical order automatically, even if you add, delete, or move text or notes while editing your paper. Now let's figure out which academic formats use footnotes. As you see, Chicago and MLA encourage the use of footnotes both for references and comments, while APA and Harvard styles do not. In-text citations are used instead of footnotes to reference the sources in APA and Harvard styles. Though these styles allow the use of footnotes for comments, it's not welcomed. How to format Chicago footnotes? Several things you need to know before we proceed are that different types of sources, like articles, chapters, books, are referenced differently. First footnote and subsequent footnotes to the same source are also formatted differently. The first footnote should contain full bibliographic information about the source. It should provide the author's full name starting with the first name. For example, David Fromkin, not Fromkin D as in bibliography. The title of the work, small text within bigger volumes like a chapter or an article, should be enclosed in quotation marks. Books and journal titles are given in italics. In parentheses, we write city, publisher, year, and also we give the page number. Here you can see how your first footnote should look like. If it is a book, first goes author's full name, comma, title in italics, publishing information in parentheses, comma, page number, full stop. Please note, there should be only one full stop in the footnote. If it is a chapter from the same book, there will be some changes in the footnote. Between the writer's name and the italicized book title, we put chapter's title in quotation marks. All the rest is the same. If you cite a journal article, pay attention to different punctuation marks before page numbers when citing a book, comma, and journal article, colon. And that instead of publisher information, you provide date of publication, volume, and issue number. In subsequent footnotes to the same source, there is no need to provide all the bibliographic information. So instead of full name, give only the writer's last name. Title is shortened to one word only. There should be no publisher information and page number. So your footnote should look the following way. What if you need to do MLA footnotes? Is there a difference between MLA and Chicago? MLA and Chicago guidelines for footnotes are almost the same. As you can see, there are only a few differences. In MLA footnote style, there are no punctuation marks before the page number. In subsequent footnotes to the same source, title is not mentioned at all. This was CustomEssayPapers.com presentation on footnotes. To get more information about different academic styles, such as APA or MLA, to learn how to make a title page, or how to write different types of essays, you are welcome to visit our website.